This rookie series of tutorials is for new users of iMovie 10.2. It'll quickly get you started and help you understand on how easy it is to create videos on your Mac. The videos use my years of editing experience to cover just the items you need to know, without going into unnecessary details that'll bog you down. This third lesson will look at editing audio in your clips. It'll also cover how to best export your movie. In Lesson 1 you saw you can add audio to the timeline in the same way as adding video. Audio-only clips are green. As you saw, audio-only clips always position themselves below the main magnetic video timeline. That's as opposed to the audio portion of the video clip that stays part of that magnetic timeline. The audio that is part of a video clip is blue. You can remove the audio portion of a video clip with the Detach audio command. So right-click on a video clip, select Detach audio, and the now green audio clip appears below the video clip. And a warning, now that the audio is separate, when you move it, the synchronization of the video with that audio will be broken. So for instance, if someone's talking, their lips will be out of sync. Why would you detach? Perhaps you want to have that audio play under another video clip. And you can also leave the detached audio in place under its original video and extend the audio to the left or the right under the other video clips. The audio level or volume can be adjusted by dragging the thin white horizontal line up or down. And when you drag this line, it changes very quickly, so you can slow that reaction time by holding the Command key for a more accurate adjustment. And when you move the white line, it adjusts the volume for the whole clip. So how can you adjust a portion of the audio? Well, you use the R key while you drag left or right. Drag the white line within the yellow, and only that level is changed. When you click away, you'll see 4 white dots that can be adjusted to change the fade in or the fade out of the audio change. Next, let's look at the audio corrections you can make in the toolbar above the viewer. Select an audio-only clip and you'll see that several icons are highlighted in white. Click the speaker icon. The auto button adjusts the volume levels as iMovie thinks fit. You can turn the audio on and off with the speaker button here. The lower volume of other clips is really useful when you have background music track that you want to lower the volume while a voiceover plays on a video clip. So select the clip that you want to feature the audio on. As it says, it lowers the volume of the other clip. You can adjust the amount. Next, click the waveform button. This will allow you to try out options to reduce the background noise. And it's not a magic bullet, but it can help remove traffic noise and some wind noise.
The sales and biggest crews generally wear the Timberliner, and
there's an equalizer on the right that will enhance various audio tones. And you need to try these out for your circumstances. Click the eye above for an advanced video on audio correction. Audio tracks can be faded. When you hover over an audio track, you'll see a little dot appear at the beginning and at the end. And this applies to the audio and also the audio sections within a video track. So in this case, we're doing a crossfade. It's fading from this position here and fading out on that clip, and it's fading in from this position here to the dot on that clip. And equally we can fade out at the end of the clip. And if we use a music track, and you can hear the fade out. finally, let's look at how to export or share your video. Once your edit's completed, you can export it to send to others or upload to YouTube or Facebook. Click the share arrow at the right of the screen. There are 4 choices. I suggest you won't use email other than for very short videos. Anyway, it produces a small video that automatically opens an email.
Here's my phone.
You can select YouTube and Facebook, and a file will save to your disk, and then you'll manually upload that to Facebook and YouTube. Save current frame will save the image at the position of the playhead as if it were a still image. And the most flexible is the 4th option, export file. You can select if you want video and audio or just audio exported. By just exporting audio, you can send an audio-only file for use in an audio correction application like Audacity. Click the eye above for a video covering Audacity. Go to the timestamp at 35 seconds. Next, you can select the resolution that you want to export at and an explanation. You can only set the resolution of the current project's resolution or lower. The clips that you downloaded from my website are 720p clips, and I use these to keep the size low for easy downloading. So the highest here is 720p. If you're working with your own clips, then up to 4K will be available. Next, you can select the quality. This will most likely affect the size of your file, and I'd suggest that high is good enough for most purposes, unless you need small file sizes, and ProRes will give you the best quality but larger file sizes. A little warning about ProRes: it's a file that may not work well with non-Mac users, so they may not be able to view it. And finally, a tip. Once you've exported your movie, you can recover some hard disk space. That's from those temporary files that iMovie creates to make editing smoother. Select the iMovie menu at the top of your screen. Select Preferences, Delete Render Files, and an explanation. This only removes the render files. It doesn't affect your edit or remove any of the original footage. If iMovie ever needs these render files again, it will automatically recreate them for you. And the next is the final lesson that will look at all the tools in the toolbar above the viewer. I'm here to help, so if you need assistance on a specific iMovie topic, I offer free iMovie support via email, and that's for urgent issues that you're confronted with. Click the eye above for a link to my free support site. Otherwise, let me know in the comments below about iMovie topics that you struggle with, and I'd be happy to produce a YouTube video to help you solve those issues. I'm also available for one-on-one internet training. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell.